Once those brake shoes are out, now you can do a thorough cleaning in around that backing plate and around the hub. Now we're going to clean the rust off this hub here that you saw earlier, but we're going to do it with it wet because you do not want to be breathing all that rust dust either. Notice what I'm using here. I like a variable speed drill with one of those heavy, it's like heavy Scotch-Brite. And when you do this, you want to be very careful. Be very gentle with the steel on that hub. You don't want to take off excessive metal, but you want to clean this enough so the rust is gone. Otherwise, the wheel and the rotor may not fit up true to the hub. And you keep rinsing it, kind of see how well you're getting the rust off, particularly that outer edge and along that center part of the hub there. See how nice it is to do this wet? Not have to breathe all that rust dust that's floating around the shop. Use that low speed. Keep them splattering all over the shop. Okay, this is what you want. Don't get too aggressive. You're not trying to take metal off, but you want that surface, the flat mating surface, clean.